Stuck ka ba? Ikaw ba yung tipo ng tao na plano ng plano, plano ng plano, hindi magawa yung kailangan niyang gawin, tipong medyo nagpo-procrastinate na, tipong na-overwhelm kasi parang sobrang dami mong gagawin na hindi mo na ma-execute kasi nga, going back, na-overwhelm ka. Diba? Now, in this video, tuturuan ko kayo ng 3 bagay lang para maka-move forward ka. Kasi ang hirap nung sa sitwasyon na hindi mo alam kung ano pwede mong gawin para ma-execute mo yung bagay na yon. Mahirap kasi na ma-stuck ka sa planning part. Hindi ka makaka-move forward. Yung iba nakatakbo na, ikaw iniisip mo pa kung paano pa tumakbo. Alright? Now, my name is Ed and welcome to Ed's Advice. So this channel will bring you life advices and even a few coaching and some few motivational thoughts. So with this, kindly share to your friends. Baka makatulong tong video na to. Alright? So, with this, let me show you number 1. Simulan mo lang. Okay? So, pag sinimulan mo yan, isipin mo, paano ko simulan? Wala nga sa plano ko. Simulan mo lang. Okay? So, kung may itatype ka, itype mo lang. I-pour out mo yung utak mo doon or yung emotions mo doon. Okay? So, wag kang magpapadala doon sa, wala kasi ta sa plano ko eh. Wala ta sa ano ko eh. Pag sinimulan mo yan, diyan magsisimula yung pwede mong sabihin, pwede mong gawin, pwede mong i-execute pa. Okay? Simulan mo lang. Yun ang una. Pangalawa, always remember na kapag sinimulan mo na, okay lang na magkamali. Okay? So, mistakes are somewhat a teacher. Okay? So, dito, matututunan mo yung mga bagay na pag nagkamali ka, alam mo na ang gagawin mo next time. Okay? So, dito okay lang magkamali. Huwag mong ipapunish yung sarili mo na, wala kasi ito sa plano eh. Ito, ganito, ganyan eh. Yan tuloy, nagkamali ako. Yan, bura ako ng bura, ganito, ganyan. So, huwag ganun. Okay? Okay lang na magkamali. To be honest, itong video na to, it took me 40 times to shoot this video. Alright? So, marami akong dinelete na files dito. So, just to execute this. And I've been shooting for almost 2 hours na. And for this one, I believe this one is the most perfect one. It's because I have executed it already. Alright? And just to add, plans are just a guide. Okay? So, yun yung thinking ko Okay, nasundin mo yung plano. Mas maganda yon. Pero, in some way, kung kailangan mong i-execute ang isang trabaho o isang bagay na gusto mong gawin or dapat mong gawin, you just have to start it. Okay? So, there is no other way. So, kung wala kang motivation to start, find a motivation for it. So, kung wala ka ring motivation na mahanap, just start. Believe me, pag hindi mo sinimulan yan, wala kang matatapos. Lastly, number 3, sabi nga ng boss ko, let's cross the bridge when we get there. Tama nga naman. So, you just have to cross the bridge when you get there. Kasi, isipin mo na lang, punta ka ng Baguio. Inisip mo na, baka sira yung mga tulay, hindi ko lang kung paano ko pupuntahan. So, dito, kung alam mo yung adventure, yung okay na, yung along the way, may matututunan ka naman eh. Along the way, habang ginagawa mo. Okay? Habang ginagawa mo yung mga bagay na yon, meron kang mga life lessons na natututunan dito. Ngayon, pag nando ka na sa bridge, aalamin mo na lang kung paano mo gagawin or paano ka tatawid. Okay? So, yung bridge na yon, in somewhat or some way, ito yung endpoint. So, iisipin mo na lang, paano kaya matatapos to? Paano ko makakross sa bridge na yon? Hanggat hindi ka nagda-drive papunta dun sa area na yon, hindi mo makikita yung bridge kung nakaayos ba, kung tama ba, o kung ano man yung bridge na yon. Okay? Tayo mga Pilipino, mga resilient daw tayo. And by which I find it bad kasi nagiging lax yung ating government, di ba? So inisip nila na, hindi, okay lang naman, resilient mga Pilipino, nakaka-adapt naman kaagad. Pero in some way, it's a bad thing, but it's in some way, it is a good thing. Okay? Use that resiliency in a good way. Okay? So just to add, yung pagiging maparaan, dyan papasok. Okay? Dyan sa number 3. You will just cross the bridge when you get there. Okay? So yun lang. So that's it. Those are the 3 things na nasi-share ko or ma-share ko sa inyo para lang maka-move forward kayo. Mahirap ma-stuck, I've been there. I've been there. I've been always there. So, etong video na to, it took me courage to create this. And by the way, guys, this is one of my first video in this channel. So, I really appreciate if you will like, comment, share, and subscribe. Especially subscribe, no? Kasi wala pa kalaman-laman tong channel na to. And I would really appreciate that you would follow this channel. So, I will post every Wednesday. And I will pledge that to myself. If not Wednesday, baka Friday, no? Basta every week. So, kahit 2 to 3 minute video lang gagawa ako. So, para lang, what's in it for me? So, kung alam ko na makakatulong ako sa mga kapwa-tao ko dyan, so kung alam ko lang makakatulong itong mga videos na to, mga life advices, so I offer this for free. So, with this, it will be really, well, a soul uplifting moment for me. Okay? So, yun lang. So, guys, thank you for watching. And, wala pa akong outro, no? So, yun lang. Bye-bye, guys. So, see you next time. And peace out. Shh.